JK on trap.
What up, Jay? I make her strip naked. She take off her drawers and all. I peel your cap back. And they ain't talking Tylenol. What's up, goons? We popping up, click clap. We higher than the moon. My niggas wearing jetpacks, lean in my bottle. I'm feeling a bit drowsy, lost in the zone. My bro Jay found me. My name holds thousands. I laid in a Audi. I hang me a body. I came in the trousers. Spit and flame somebody, go and find me a hydrant. Little nigga, but to these niggas I'm a giant. You couldn't last one night. Wake up when the sun bright. G-Lock, I can bring a blade to a gunfight. Dangerous and silent. Please don't ever try me. It might be a good day to catch me a body. I sleep in the lobby. My family beside me. All you got is pistols, that is childish. We got Max, fool. My daughter strapped too. And she is just a baby, but she will whack you. Nigga, you stand under me. Can't nobody fuck with me. I love my bae forever, so I'ma buy a promise ring. Yeah, we fuss and fight and make love at night. I think this couple perfect, so take your own advice. My nigga sippin' Sprite, but it ain't only Sprite. I keep the K on me, kill 'em on sight. You think this over, bitch? This just the beginning. You better watch your back, cause you's a motherfucking victim. I ain't seen you yet. What you hiding for? I hit my goons up, and they will find you, bruh. I'm getting tired of waiting, cause I ain't got no patience. I want my one in plain sight. Boy, come out and face me. My ATL niggas really wanna see you vacant, and I just wanna kill your ass and hide you in the pavement. Caption.